While clearing out the study, getting ready for my house to be painted, I found some of my old mechanical designs. This is my robotic fishtail. Pairs of carbon fibre tubing attached to a timing belt encapsulate a wave generator made of spring steel.
Hi, my name is Gaia and I'm a PhD student at the Institute for AI at the University of Bremen. In this video, the PR2 is performing the household marathon demo of the EASE project. The idea of the demo is that the robot executes different variations of mobile pick and place, whereby it needs to act completely autonomously with the minimal amount of human interference. The first task is to set a table for cereal breakfast for one person. This involves 5 objects: a bowl, a spoon, a cup, some milk and a box of cereal, which have to be brought to the dining table. Afterwards, the table has to be cleaned up, so the washable objects are placed into the dishwasher, the cereal box is placed back into its storage location, and the milk box is thrown away into the trash, as it's assumed to be empty then. The perception system that we use is called RoboSherlock. It employs an ensemble of experts approach based on the principle of unstructured information management. Importantly, it works in assumption-free scenes, which means, for example, that we don't expect a supporting plane to exist for each object. This is required, for example, for the objects in the dishwasher or in the door of the fridge. The motion control framework that we use is called GISCARD. It does whole body control. For the PR2, this means that we control the arms, the torso, the base, and the head simultaneously. It uses a constraint and optimization-based approach with which we can define multiple goals at the same time. For example, grasp the object while looking at your hand, staying away from the joint limits, and avoiding collisions with the environment. The plan executive that we use is called CRAM. It uses the reactive planning approach, such that the plans concurrently perform the motions and monitor their execution. Simply put, this means that if a failure happens, such as an object slips from the gripper, the robot reacts immediately. The sequence of actions and the failure handling strategies are engineered according to a general model of mobile pick-and-place, and the parameters of actions are inferred at runtime by querying the knowledge base. There are a lot of challenges that need to be solved in order to master these mobile pick-and-place actions. First, the robot needs to have an enormous amount of knowledge about its environment, the task, its own capabilities, the user preferences, the physics of the world, and common sense rules. Second, the robot needs to be able to execute its actions in a wide range of variations. For table setting, this means that it should be able to get any object from any location in the environment and place it at any other plausible location. The robot also has to deal with the non-determinism and the partial observability of the world, which simply put means that acting in the real world very often leads to failures, and the robot needs to be able to recover from them. And it needs to keep its beliefs about the world in a consistent state, as close to the state of the real world as possible. Finally, in order to reach human-level skill and mastery, the robot needs to be able to improve its performance over time based on collected experience. For more information, please follow the links in the description below.
现在时刻早上6点整，充饱电力的机器人 Ayuda 已经迫不及待要发挥助人精神了。
大家早安。
早安。
早安。
Ayuda 是医护人员的最佳伙伴。这位访客显然是迷路了。Ayuda 立刻出现，解救了他。Ayuda 具备室内寻标导航系统，加上自主移动功能，
请跟我来，
可为病友做诊间代位，使病友找寻诊间时省时又省力。
请戴上口罩。
近来 Ayuda 还因应疫情新增体温监测、戴口罩监测等功能哦。Ayuda 还有自豪的毫秒级人脸辨识功能，像是他一眼就认出了这位慢性病病友。病友可透过 Ayuda 整合医院的健保卡读卡机，连接至医院管理系统挂号。如此一来，可节省慢性病病友挂号排队、慢签领药的时间，提升效率。如果拿了药品有不懂的地方，找 Ayuda 就对了。透过云端药历功能，病友可轻松扫描 QR code。
陈先生该吃药喽。
上了年纪的人最怕跌倒了 ，Ayuda 能及时侦测病患跌倒，立刻通报医护人员到场。Ayuda 唯一全 MIT 机器人，身高160公分，软硬体都可搭配客户做客制化设计。Ayuda 可应用在广泛的商用市场领域，涵盖警政、医疗、零售、金融、教育等。除了在台湾，Ayuda 也成功外销至国外，为国争光哦。
为您服务是我的荣幸。